So if Battlefield 6 does not have any audio for you, or you're having some audio issues, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to do, or you want to check the basics. So what we are saying here is you want to go to the bottom right of the screen. You want to look for the speakers icon here. You want to right click on it, and you want to go and choose the sound settings. Now, under sound settings, you want to make sure that you've selected the correct speaker or headset that you want to hear from. Now, if you have this incorrectly set, well, in this case, you will not hear from the expected speaker or headset here. So go and select that. And also make sure it's not muted or the volume is too low so you're not hearing from it. So make it at least like 80 and 90% or even 100. And yeah, another thing that you may want to do is you want to go ahead and go to more sound settings here. Now, under more sound settings, you want to make sure that the speaker that you want to hear from is enabled. Like, for example, I have this speaker here. Like, we have this disabled, so you want to right click on it and just enable it if this is the speaker that you want to hear from. And also, you want to go to sound. And in here, you want to go ahead and basically test this. Just click on test. Now, if you do hear from the speaker, it means the problem is most likely from the app. Now, if it is directly from the app or from Battlefield 6, I would highly recommend you to close Battlefield 6, open it up again, and see if that solves your issue. Now, also, another thing that you may want to do is you want to open up your volume mixer here. And in here, you want to look for Battlefield 6 if you do see it, and just make sure it's not muted or the volume for it is a bit too low. So again, sometimes the volume mixer may have been accidentally updated or changed. That's why you're not hearing from it. But go ahead and change that and see if that solves your issue. Also, going back into your advanced settings here, you want to go to more sound settings again. Again, go back to playback and right click on the speaker that you want to hear from. And you want to go to properties. Now in here, you may want to go ahead and go to advanced. And maybe change this to a different quality. Like, for example, if you have this on FM radio or something lower. For example, I have this on CD quality. So try changing this to DVD quality and see if that helps. Click on apply and OK to save your changes. And yeah, so if none of this actually work, the best and final solution that I would highly recommend you try doing here is to update everything. So you want to make sure that Windows is up to date. Just type in update on your PC. You should see check for updates here. And again, just install any updates that is currently missing from your PC for Windows. And also check your GPU as well. So sometimes this affects the performance of the game. So open up the NVIDIA app here or the AMD app, depending on what driver you have, and install the update and wait for a while and restart your PC. Again, see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.